So yes, I am here again. As I say in Florida, I was just in the trampoline bouncing with my niece, but she can yam off the food and I go. But me no want she hear me and say that, so don't share the video with her. Oh, my niece, later. Oh, my niece I go. I wonder if she hear me. Don't tell her. Alright, my sister, I'm soon forward. Me is going to take a walk. So if you want to see the trampoline video, of course, professional trampoline stunt man. Although my accidentally fell, I guess it was too bouncy. But anyway, the journey continues, as me telling you, so we never stop. Great way is the gateway. While the sunshine will make hay. So alright, so in the morning here, what I go on in? I'm gonna drop some poetry again. And I have to say big respect to all the poets and all the persons who have been supporting the arts. Yeah, the journey continues. They never thought I'd reach this far. But look, them keep on open far. And Messiah the Great shine bright like stars. Looking at them face, so surprised they are. You didn't thought I'd reach this far. But look, you keep on open far. And Messiah the Great. Watch you know. 24 Private Road. Fraser's Content. Spanish Town, Jamaica. That's some represent. Designed to create rhymes with a brand new defense. Excellent quality, lyrically content. You can relate to my rhymes, me not chat no nonsense. Girls, them a smile, cause them like me accent. Me used to go dental tech. Well, intelligent, me grow featherbed lane, me experience. Harsh times and at the garrison. And now me independent, me have my label precisely. Great amazement. With overseas, I went Darcy, we taking it immense. Big up everybody who support my films, my poems, and embrace my talents, because me alone, I couldn't do this all by myself. Never thought I'd reach this far. But look, they keep on open for. Messiah the Great shine bright like stars. Looking at them face. Them go say man and get to suffer us, the Lord be rich indeed. Artist and artist, so know the differences. Spanish Town, Jamaica, I represent West Indies. People them rate me one of the best in seas. Create good lyrics so my fans can listen to these. I'm compile my composition enough for them which them did. Uncomparable. That mean in a different league, I knock them out with a different speed. Time after time when I rhyme, every time I spit them phrase. Watch you know. As me said, the journey continue. Florida. Now we're there and we just are going with the vibes. Right, that's the thing they hear that. So I'm gonna drop some poetry in the morning. For some, life is like a game, so they play all day. For some, life is like a puzzle, they get lost along the way. As for me, my life is a journey. I could talk about that all day. I give thanks for life, I live to see another day. Tell them precisely. Look out and check the book out. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. Another multi-talented Jamaican. Don't know. It's a big respect to my fans, my friends, my families, wifey, Mrs. Laurie Kirkland. Tell them precisely. Big respect to all the creators of the arts, whether it's musical arts, theatrical arts. Big respect, and that's really coming from my heart. You get me? Watch you know. I got all this to talk about supporting the poets, because as a poet, yeah, I want to see more people that support what we are dealing with. So I say, because too much people are ignore the positive vibration. You see it? Check out my short movie, The Jamaican Poet. It's on YouTube. The Jamaican Poet by Amaziah the Great. I'm gonna do 2 more poems before I end this live. But yeah, if you want to see me jumping on the trampoline, my niece and I, you can go check out my TikTok at artist Craig Kirkland. And it will be on Instagram. So my niece is driving off now. But big respect, Sade. Yeah. Oh, she stopped. Well on, tell her not move yet. Tell her not move. So I haven't seen my niece in many years, and it so happened that we're in Florida and she passed through my sister's place. And luckily, I get to see her, and I was able to present her one of my books, Don't Cry. My niece, will go and just say it to the fans real quick.
Hi.
And show them the book and tell them where them forget it. Just Amazon. Oh, yeah.
The book, you can get it on Amazon. It's called Don't Cry.
What the author?
Craig A. Kirkland.
No, not just that. Them I see that. But what the author?
Amazon.
Your uncle. Oh my
my
gosh.
uncle.
Shut this one, man. But anyway, later. Take care. So as me say, we're there people and they don't know it's about greatness. So I'm going to promise you 2 more poems. So I'm going to do them real quick. Take a walk in the forest while I just do them poems, yeah. I want my children to know me as one that is great. Education is essential, time mustn't waste. With the power of knowledge, there's no limit to what you can create. You'll encounter hurdles in life, even frightening earthquakes, but never stop. Aim higher and escalate. I also stumbled and fell on my journey. Yeah, I made mistakes. Still, I elevate and stay awake. Fueling my mind with positive energy. Hold the vibe and meditate. Of course, I pay close attention to nature and sounds birds make. People business, me not discussing, mix up, me not partake. My heart aches. I can't take liars and pretenders all fake. Hence why I separate myself from illusion. Confusion will never penetrate the core of my mind. I smile, I embrace greatness, fairness among all human race. And notice this face, me not live trace. I will never disgrace my people for position, me rather empower you in this case. But it's somewhat complicated when the world is in a sick state. Love, politics, and religion are folks in a trick state. Miseducation, misinformation, misunderstandings. Mistakes are the reason for your failure, so rise and surprise them with a bliss fierce. Look out and check the book out. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. It's on Amazon. If you're in the United States, DM me, link me, email me. artistcraigkirkland@gmail.com or craigkirkland@greatamazementworld.com. So the final one before I go real quick. Don't cry. Mama, don't cry. I'm gonna make this work. Never stop praying for you, even when experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom, inside hurts, but don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God as if I'm inside a church. Listen this, I will not quit even if me have to keep crawling at the dirt. Don't cry. Dada, don't cry, you try to make things work. You are my first hero. You motivates me to serve. Son about the ball thinking of fail, Dad, I value your worth. You inspired me immensely. Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids don't cry. They never got it at first. So excited seeing Daddy's first merch. Not like my sales boosting online. Honestly, at times it seems like my life in reverse. Many people depending on me. I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm going to break this generational curse. Don't cry. As me telling the people, look out and check the book out. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. It's on Amazon. And feel free to link me if you're in the United States of America. Other parts of the world, please go to Amazon and you'll get a copy of my book for only $14.99. And if I'm going to send it directly autograph signed, that's only $25. $25 if I'm going to sign it and send it. Shipping and handling and all of that is already included. One rate. But yeah, support the poets, support the mission, support the moves.